Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages, so we've got only English right now. Let's tap on add a language, and as you can see, you will be transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe I don't know, it doesn't really matter, it can be Spanish. And after tapping on it, sometimes you will be able to pick the regions. As you can see, you've got some suggested ones and also all of them. So basically the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to use, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to this list. But as you can see, the English is still a main one. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the one we would like to set, tap on it and hold it, and now let's drag it to the very first position. And wait a second. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at Spanish. So let's tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got the menu in English. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on remove, and mark the language you'd like to delete. Tap on the trash bin icon, tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.